Okay, hey guys, Evilzombie here. I'm going to be telling you all about Tonor microphone. It's a wireless microphone, the TW820. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing real quick because I am excited, and this is actually a pretty nice little box. And yeah, it's nice. I'm excited about this. I like microphones. I'm a tech guy. I'm an IT guy. I'm a tech guy that always has to deal with audio equipment also. So this is like Christmas for me. Okay, let's look at this, guys. It's actually pretty nicely packaged. Okay, first, upon opening the box, it has this really nice foam. It's really high quality, dense foam. And then this is wrapped inside. This is the receiver, which already has the antennas attached. Huh. I have not seen that before in anything. I've never gotten one where the antennas are attached. Ooh, it's a nice button. It's a clicky button. I like that. I like clicky buttons rather than the kind you have to go on the back, you know. Did I turn it on? Oh, there it is. No, this is a clicky front button. I like that. This is nice. That's already points in my book. Clicky button. How do the knobs feel? The knobs, they don't wiggle. They are made, I think it's plastic. I think it's plastic. It might be a coated aluminum, actually. It might be aluminum. You guys can see it right there. But they turn really smoothly, which I like. They feel a little light, but they turn pretty smooth. It glides. That's actually pretty nice. There's no wiggle room in there, and they glide. Okay. And this is just the screen everything's going to happen on. There are some slight scratches here and there on there. You can probably see it right there. That could have happened during shipping or during packaging. I'm not going to fault it for that as long as it works well, because I'm not interested in the screen as much as I am the performance. The antennas are a decent length. These should at least have a decent range on them. I'll tell you what that is when I'm doing the tests. I'm going to be testing this a lot. I'll take it to work with me, which is over at a school where there's offices and lots of electronic devices, lots of routers. I'm specifying that now, so that you guys know that I will be testing it in an environment that has a lot of wireless interference. So, yeah, in the back of it, okay, so you have your DC input, so that's the power. You have your mix, so that you plug your microphone into here, and it combines the two tracks, basically. Okay, I like that. So you can either have left or right, what's it called? Not track. Oh yeah, track. Side of the stereo, or you can just mix them and it combines the audio for it. I've always wondered why they always do it in this format and not in XLR. I'm not as well versed in audio equipment as I should be, but that's for the future me. So I got the foam out. It's actually a really nice foam. I'm not worried at all about it with this foam. That's really good foam. Might keep that foam. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Right? It's awesome. Huh. So let's keep that. I'm going to keep that in the box so I know where it is. Instruction manual, which is actually really nice. It has good pages. These are like thick pages. It tells you everything it comes with. You guys can see everything that comes with it also right here, but I'm going to show it to you as well. It has instructions in English for everything. It tells you literally everything. Yeah, this is actually a pretty nice instruction manual, and it's multilingual also. Okay, so showing you the next part. Underneath that, you have the power, you have the microphones, you have stuff. Oh yeah, here's the anti-slip rubber guards. I have some wind screens over here. So the wind screens, yep, they're wind screens. They do wind screeny things. They protect you from plosives and the sound of wind. So you don't have any harsh sounds. That's why I have one on here too. I don't like mouth noises. It helps prevent that. These are handy. It comes with 2 of these. It comes with everything for 2 microphones. So it has 2 windscreens. It has 2 of these. It's awesome. So this is handy because it stops you from dropping the mic. It protects it if you accidentally do and it roll. It doesn't help it. It doesn't let it roll. All that. So you have a 1/4 inch cable, 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, 1/4 to 1/4, and it looks like it's going to be about 5 feet, maybe 4 to 5 feet long. Which is enough. It's long enough. I just bring it underneath the computer desk and I plug it in, but I'm probably going to have it sitting right by my interface over there anyways. I have a Behringer UMC 202HD. So just so you know what I'm using with this for when I do the test. So you have the DC cable right here, nifty. Take a look at the microphone. Oh, it's taped and everything. Also, the first time I've seen one of these actually taped shut, which is nice. That shows they care. And they don't want it coming loose. That shows they care. I like that. Ooh, this feels good. This is metal. This is like heavier, cold metal. I like that. So there you go. You can check that out. Now, I love this kind of button. I've said this on microphones. I like this kind of button. I don't like flick switches on microphones as much. It depends on the quality of the flick switch. But this kind is always nice to me. It's a nice rubber button. It has an LED screen right here. Or LCD probably. Ooh, that spins nice. Takes AA batteries, probably 2 of them. This is also solid metal, other than the tip, which is plastic. And that just spins right on. But just looking at it, there is a windscreen on the inside, so a small pop filter to help absorb some of those plosives. Just to tell you a little bit about it, this is a dynamic microphone, which will have a cardioid pickup pattern. It's a unidirectional, which means it picks up sound from the front, not from the back, not from the sides. This is nice. I like this. It actually feels pretty good. So I'm going to put that bad boy back in here. And that will do it for the unboxing. You've seen the second microphone, you've seen the windscreen, you've seen those little rubber things. Oh, I put it in there backwards. Of course I did. That's pretty nice. I'm excited to hook this up, and I'm going to test it. I'm going to bring it around with me, and I'm going to test it, not just in here. I'm also going to test out the range. I want to see, I'm going to leave Audacity running, and I'm going to walk out maybe like 80 feet and see if it can actually keep track of me through a couple walls. So, I'll update you guys in the next section of the video. Okay, so welcome to part 2 of the review. So, what I'm going to talk to you about here is a bit more on my take on how the microphone actually performs, what it sounds like. You can hear what it sounds like. This is the microphone, and I'm doing all the recording through this, plugged in from the Tonor receiver directly into my UMC 202HD audio interface, plugged into the computer. The gain on the computer is set at about 80%. On the interface, it's at about 80% or so. Okay, so start off with my thought. Oh, first I'm going to tell you, of course, that I'm not going to do any post-processing to this audio. I'm not going to do any editing to it. I'm not going to go into Audacity or any other editing program to do any condensing on the audio. I'm not going to do any, or no compression or anything. I'm not going to do any noise removal, none of that. So this is exactly what it sounds like. I just clicked the thing next to my hand. This is exactly what it sounds like. This is what you get with the microphone. So, okay, moving on. How does it sound to me? How does it sound, in my opinion? This is a very warm kind of sounding microphone. It's very deep sounding, kind of bassy. So if you have a really deep voice naturally, this might sound a little harsh to your ears. But if you have a higher voice, this is probably going to sound really nice. I don't have a higher voice, so I can't really test that very well. But to my ears, it does sound a little bit deep. But for some people with a much higher voice, that would be exactly what they would want. Because it's nice, for them it'd be a nice warm tone to even things out. Because a higher voice on a microphone, like a condenser microphone that's made for a higher tone, would definitely probably sound a little pitchy. But either way, it's not a bad sound. It's just a little bit deep for my tastes. Okay, moving on to how it performs with distance. So I walked outside with this with several Wi-Fi routers in the building. I did test it out, like I said, with walking around at the office. I took the microphone, walked outside. Okay, like I was saying, I had to pause the video for a second. But yeah, I tested out. There were several in the office I work in. We have several routers surrounding the area because I work in a school. All the walls are pretty well made, pretty thick, and of course everyone has a cell phone, so there was lots of wireless devices in the area, parents going in and out. So it's at least a somewhat busy area and a busy time. So I walked around with the microphone about 60 to 80 feet away from the receiver, and it still picked up a good clear signal. And it still did a pretty good job of also blocking out outside noise. Like, it didn't really pick up too much on wind or anything. So that was pretty good. I actually enjoyed that. It does pick up a little bit of handling noise. I'll show you exactly what it sounds like when you're holding the microphone. Sorry about this. So if you're holding it and you're walking around with it and you move your hands around a little bit, this is exactly what it sounds like. You can expect that. Okay, just so you can hear what it sounds like if I'm moving my fingers around on this microphone. Putting it back. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about, so the range, it was good. It had a good clear range and it didn't drop off at all for me. So personal experience, it worked well. Just letting you know. I did test it. Okay, so now to show you what the pickup pattern is. So it's a unidirectional microphone. So it's a cardioid pickup pattern, which means it picks up everything in this bubble. Like basically in the front of the microphone. So I'm going to go around it and you can hear what it sounds like depending on where you are in regards to the microphone and how far. So right now I'm about 1 fist away from it, maybe 4 inches away from the microphone. And I'm moving around the microphone right now so you can kind of hear the sound of it as I move around the microphone. And I'm not going to stop talking this whole time. If I go behind the microphone, you can hear me behind the microphone. You really can't hear that much. Okay, now I'm back in front of the microphone. I'm right up against the microphone. I'm about 4 inches away from the microphone. I'm about a foot away from the microphone or so. And it still works pretty well. It's a little quieter when you get too far away, and it's a little too boomy when you get too close. So make sure you also remember proper microphone etiquette by not pointing towards the microphone, having the microphone point towards you. I don't look at the microphone and talk. I talk to the side of it. It's pointed at me. Just letting you know so you have good results. Okay, guys. So what do I think of it? It works pretty well. It's a sturdy piece of equipment. This actually feels really strong. This whole time it's felt like it's good quality. I like the knobs on the receiver actually. Those are very nice. I really do like the knobs a lot on that. They're good size. It has a nice white dash on it so you can tell where the level's at clearly. And it just turns smoothly. I like that. It even has a little pickup thing on it has meters on the display so you can see it going up and down depending on how loud your voice is, so you can tell it's picking up the audio from your voice. I do like that. Tells you what channel it's on. Tells you what channel is in use at the time. It's good. It tells you what frequency is active on the microphone that it's connected with. This is microphone B that I'm using right now, apparently. Works well. Okay. So just wanted to give you my 2 bits. Does it work well? Yes, it does. It does exactly what it says it has to do. It's a good wireless microphone that's sturdy and well made. So if you're looking for a microphone that's made to bring a good warmer tone to everything, something a little deeper in voice for the microphone, then this is probably a good choice for you. So have a good one, guys. I do suggest it. It's pretty nice. It comes with everything. You already saw the unboxing. It comes with everything. That's pretty nice. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.